Hey there, BMW enthusiasts. Are you tired of those baffling engine lights and complicated diagnosis? Say goodbye to the guesswork. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive tech with one of the best code readers on the market specifically designed for your BMW. Imagine having the power to unlock the secrets of your car's performance right at your fingertips. This amazing tool not only reads fault codes but also provides real-time data, helping you keep your beloved BMW running smoothly. Stick around, because I'll walk you through its features and show you why it's a must-have for any BMW owner. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Number 5. Ancel BD330, the best code reader for BMW enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. This powerful 3-in-1 Bluetooth OBDII scanner is tailored specifically for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce vehicles, making it an essential tool for those who love to tinker with their cars. With features like battery registration, oil service reset, EPB reset, and ETC reset, the BD330 empowers users to diagnose and resolve issues from home without costly trips to the mechanic. Equipped with a user-friendly interface and lifetime free updates, it offers comprehensive functionality including reading and clearing error codes, real-time data monitoring, and performance assessments to keep your vehicle in top shape. The device also supports OBDII diagnostics for all 12V vehicles manufactured after 1996. The convenience of the help page with video tutorials and direct feedback options ensures that even non-professionals can confidently use the tool. Plus, with a durable 2-year warranty and no subscription fees, the Ancel BD330 is an exceptional investment for any BMW owner. Unlock the full potential of your BMW with the Ancel BD330, your all-in-one vehicle diagnostic companion. Number 4. Creator's C310 OBD2 diagnostic scanner tool for BMW is the ultimate solution for BMW enthusiasts and vehicle owners seeking a reliable diagnostic tool. This professional-grade scanner supports reading and erasing trouble codes, turning off warning lights for ABS, SRS, and other systems, while also providing live data and vehicle information. Designed specifically for BMW and Mini models from 2001 to 2017, it offers exceptional features such as battery registration, engine oil reset, and throttle matching to enhance your vehicle's performance. The C310 Plus is incredibly user-friendly with its 2.8-inch TFT LCD display and intuitive navigation through a durable silicone keypad. Moreover, its rugged design ensures that you can conduct diagnostics without the fear of damage from drops. The tool also includes a 1-year warranty and online software updates, guaranteeing that you always have access to the latest functionalities. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Creator C310 OBD2 diagnostic scanner stands out as the best code reader for BMW, empowering you to keep your vehicle in top condition with ease and precision. Care. Number 3. Launch X431 Predator Elite 2.0 BBA OBD2 car scanner is the ultimate diagnostic tool specifically tailored for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and their luxury counterparts like Maybach, Rolls-Royce, and Mini. This all-in-one scanner eliminates the hassle of software subscriptions, offering lifetime free updates and robust capabilities for a wide range of vehicles. With complete system bidirectional control, it allows you to execute special functions like oil resets, spark plug changes, and airbag diagnostics directly, making it the best code reader for BMW enthusiasts. The launch scanner excels in troubleshooting with its 10 modes of OBD2 tests, reading and clearing fault codes, and displaying live data in graphical formats for easy analysis. Its AutoVin feature rapidly identifies your vehicle, ensuring a swift and seamless diagnostic experience. Designed with a user-friendly interface and superior build, it features a vibrant 3.97-inch touchscreen and operates on Android 8.1 for fast performance. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIYer, this scanner is the perfect tool to enhance your vehicle's performance and keep it in top condition. Transform your car diagnosis with the Launch X431 Predator Elite 2.0 and experience an extraordinary level of automotive care. Number 2. Ancel BM700 is the ultimate fit for BMW enthusiasts seeking precision and reliability in vehicle diagnostics. This full system diagnostic skin tool equipped with all reset services makes maintaining your BMW easier than ever. With features like battery registration and enhanced CBS reset, you can effortlessly manage essential maintenance tasks, whether it's oil changes, airbag resets, or ABS bleeding. The BM700 reads fault codes from all electronic control units, offering in-depth insights into your vehicle's health, so you can catch issues before they escalate. It's compatible with BMW and Mini models from 1987 to the present, making it the best code reader for BMW on the market. Not only does it support OBDI and OBD2 protocols, but the intuitive 2.8-inch TFT display ensures that both beginners and professionals can navigate results with ease. Enjoy lifetime free updates to stay current with the latest vehicle data and functionalities. With a straightforward operating method and a promise of technical support, the Ansel BM700 not only empowers you to make informed decisions at the repair shop, but also brings peace of mind in driving. Get ready to unlock your BMW's full potential with the Ansel BM700, your trusted partner in automotive care. Number 1. Foxwell NT510 Elite Skin Tool, the ultimate diagnostic companion for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce owners. This full diagnostic OBD2 scanner is designed to elevate your automotive experience, offering all system diagnostics. Now, you can quickly scan all control modules and identify fault codes, ensuring that you understand your vehicle's issues before heading to the mechanic. With enhanced bidirectional control, the NT510 Elite lets you perform active tests, such as opening windows and operating mirrors, ensuring you swiftly locate and fix faulty components. Plus, the upgraded one-click battery registration feature eliminates the hassle of battery replacement, making your life easier. What's more, this powerful tool includes essential maintenance features like oil reset, ABS bleeding, and AC troubleshooting, all at no extra cost. Comprehensive OBDII functions enable you to read and clear codes, monitor live data, and prepare for emissions testing with confidence. The hardware upgrade means speed, performance, and lifetime free updates, all without needing a PC. If you're looking for the best code reader for BMW, look no further than the Foxwell NT510 Elite. Unleash the potential of your vehicle's diagnostics and tackle maintenance like a pro. In conclusion, selecting the best code reader for your BMW can significantly enhance your vehicle's maintenance and troubleshooting experience. With the right tool, you can easily diagnose issues, monitor performance, and ensure your car is running smoothly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, investing in a reliable code reader is worth it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.